Okay, I gotta take a little sand out of the sand salt building here. We dumped the wrong load in here last night. It's not quite as screened as what we want. So I'm gonna put it over in the pile to cover the other dirt and debris we have over there. So I thought I'd shoot a little video. Okay. Well, they knock you over? Let's see. No, looks like you stayed upright. There's a little bit on the sides. I'll push that in with a compact. I gotta get the bedding chopper out of here. We use the bedding chopper to on property when we're reseeding, and it's got a flat tire now. It's probably 30 years old, that tire at least. So get some free pallets. You see there's a few more on the trailer from the delivering of sorry about Chauncey around here. I just got, you probably can't see in here, it's pretty dark. It's probably just as well. It's pretty dirty. We've been nothing but right out straight. Jordan's been very busy. Oh, out go the lights. So yeah, Jordan's been very busy excavating. I've been drawing at night for him when he gets in the excavator, and so I draw for him when he's working the excavator and some of the other equipment. So that pile of debris is from a job that we did. We had to take a stone wall out. They didn't have any place to put it. I've been trying to, over the years, fill in behind where those trailers are, where the half a van is, and we're working our way this way, trying to fill it in to give us a little more room, even though there's close to 13 acres here, but most of it's wood, and we're good out front. We don't pile anything out front. So I'm gonna see if I can set you up to take a little ride in the dump truck, and we'll see if that works. That's the 88 top kick, so right down there. We're also extending the building one more bay, and it might be that we are going to change direction with the roofing and go the other way with it, because I think next year we're going to take that little garage. It's kind of we've been using it as storage for the last year or so, and we put that on the back corner over there behind the flats on some gravel, and then continue on. We need a few more bays for the dump trucks, the backhoe, excavator, that kind of stuff, snow plows, sanders in the summer, that, and which we've been putting in this building here. But that space we should be using for the pickups and stuff for storage, and instead of leaving them outdoors every day. So I'm gonna shut you off, and I'll get you back in the truck, and we'll see if we can take a little ride.